Okay, so whenever you first open the AutoCAD, this is the menu you are gonna see. You are gonna see something like this comes out in the AutoCAD, and you have the start menus, start tab. You can see it here, and then probably you have some drawing tabs open right next to that for you um, uh, there. After a while, when you start to work with AutoCAD in the recent document, you are going to have some recent, whatever you recently opened, it's going to be list here. So you can use them when you want, if you want to directly open them. Uh, One of the important part that I want you to pay attention is this get a start here, and you have some template. And if you click on that arrow, there's a couple of templates is going to be open here that you can use them. Usually, we will use one of them. In general, is that when you want to start the AutoCAD, it's much easier to start with one of the templates and then get it from there rather than start from the scratch. Still, you can come here up here and start a new project and you set up everything from the scratch, but it's usually easier to start from one of the templates. And if you're working with the companies, or usually they already have the templates, so you just need to go and get their templates and start working with them. So if you come here and you open this template, you will see that there are going to be a couple of templates here. And if you need more templates, if you go on the Google and Google the AutoCAD templates, they have more templates. The Autodesk has more templates on their website, so you can download them from there. Uh, Throughout this course, I'm going to use only 4 of these templates that we have here. And the very first one that we may use is this one, is the acad.dwt. And if you hover over that, hold your mouse over that, it says that it has a English unit. So is the acad.dwt is set up with the English unit, and it's the 2D drawing. The one sitting right beneath that is the ACAD 3D.dwt. Again, it is in the feet and inches in the English unit, but it's a 3D workspace, so you can draw the 3D drawing in that. And if you move a little bit down in the list, one we have here is the ACAD ISO.dwt, which is the metric version of that, is in 2D and is the metric. And the one right beneath that is the ACAD ISO 3D.dwt, which is the, again, it's the metric, but it is in 3D that we will use them. So these are the main 4 that we will use. Depend on what you want, you can use other ones, but here we will use either of these 4, depend on what we want to do. So for today, I will start with the ACAD ISO. So we can go ahead and, for example, if I click on that, it's going to open a new drawing up here for me. And then everything would be set up in the metric units when I click on that. So I click on that and it will start the drawing that everything is set in the metric.